In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide products from the search bar on your Shopify store using a simple and effective Metafield guide. Let's dive in and transform your online storefront into a more streamlined and efficient user experience. First things first, let's head over to the settings. You'll find this at the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. Give it a click. Now, on the left-hand panel, you'll want to look for Metafields and Meta Objects. This is the area where we'll be setting up the key elements to hide products from search results. Once you've navigated to Metafields and Meta Objects, you'll need to click on Products to begin customizing the product settings. Here, look for the option to Add Definition. Click on it to get started with creating a new Metafield definition. You'll need to assign a name to this definition. Choose something memorable, perhaps Hide Product, so you'll easily remember its function in the future. After naming your metafield, you'll notice a tag popping up that you'll need to edit. This is an important step, as you'll need to change the namespace and key for the tag. Replace whatever default is there with SEO pot hidden. This specific format is crucial as it directly communicates with Shopify's search engine optimization protocols. Now, for the field type, you'll want to set it to integer and restrict it to one value. This structure allows you to easily manage whether a product should be visible or not based on a simple numerical value. Once you've set these parameters, go ahead and click Save to ensure your changes are properly applied and stored. With that definition in place, it's time to hide the specific products. Navigate to Products in the left panel and click on the product you want to hide from search. Once you've opened up the product details, scroll to the Metafield section where you'll see the definition you just created. In its field, simply enter the number 1. This value serves as an indicator to the system that the product should be hidden from appearing in search results. Finally, remember to click Save. It's always good practice to check your work, so go ahead and test the setup on your store. Make sure that the product you've set to hide no longer appears when you use the search bar on your site. And there you have it. A comprehensive way to manage the visibility of your products through Shopify's Metafield features. By following these steps, you've taken a critical step in enhancing both your site's user experience and organization.